How to monetize Instagram Reels. Based on information in the help.instagram.com, how to enable monetization with ads on Instagram Reels. Monetizing ads in Instagram profile feed and Reels are currently being tested and are only available to a select group of accounts at this time. If you are eligible for monetization with ads on Instagram Reels, you will receive an invitation on your profile or through an in-app notification to your Instagram account. And eligibility requirements to monetize ads on Instagram Reels: you must pass and remain compliant with Instagram's partner monetization policies. You must be at least 18 years old. You must be located in the United States, Japan, South Korea, or Canada, and you must have a professional account on Instagram. And then to enable monetization with ads on Instagram Reels, you must to set up your business info page. You can see. And next, you must to set up your payments and select payout method. And in the next screen, you will see monetize with ads on Reels toggled on, and then tap continue to complete the onboarding process. You can now earn money with ads on Instagram Reels. So that's all, and see you in the next video.